Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Tumala Hafizabila. I am a retail the journal, antecedent, work, engagement, and organizational commitment to increase the outsourcing improvements performance in Department of Clean Lines and Horticultural. Abstract. The purpose of study into analyze and explain perception of organizational support and perception of supervisors, supports on improvements and engagement and organizational commitment. To analyze and explain their effect or engagement on organizational commitment and improvement performance as well as analyzing and explain the effect of organizational commitment on the performance of impairments at the Dinas Hygiene and Horticultura Samarinda. The design of this research was explanatory research of explanation research. The type of this research was observational research with cross-sectional study design. The method was used to collect the data in the research was survey method perceived supervisor support had insignificant influence on organizational commitment of Samarinda employees. What engagement had a significant influence on organizational commitment of Samarinda employees. Work engagement had a significant influence on Samarinda employees' performance. Organizational commitment had insignificant influence on Samarinda employees' performance. Introduction. The research did not analyze policies made by Department of Clean Lines and Horticultural, but it focused to the performance and behavior of the clean lines and horticultural worker that was in the field. The clean lines were horticultural worker which had now as implements was daily implements where their daily task was to maintain clean lines and beauty of the city. Based on the result of open observation, this research was conducted with consideration as follows. Employment mostly had low education, but their responsibility and spirit should be appreciated. The army got small salary, but they were loyal with their job. In general, the public saw the employments as a lowly profession, but the employments did not feel humiliated in doing their work. The performance of employments served to be an indicator for the success of local government to reach Adipura and Adipura Kencana Trophy. Performance was also affected by employment and engagement. The engagement could be defined in their dimensions, namely, number one, rational. Employers understood well their roles and responsibility. Number two, emotional. How much their passion, enthusiasm for work, and their enthusiasm on their organization. Number three, motivation. Motivational. They were willing to contribute to the effort and work according to their respective roles were. Engagement was very important for employers, where the employers and engagement saw what the extent to which employments were motivated to contribute to success of the organization and active organizational objective. Engagement and becoming increasingly critical to the performance of the impairments because the high impairments and engagement. The better of impairments and in turn the better performance and of company. Based on the statement above, how we conclude that organizational performance will be specific, the individual performance or the impairments. The better performance of the impairments. The performance of organization was also getting better. The worker performance was influenced by some factor. Number one, individual factor, ability, background, and demography. Number two, organization factor, resources, leadership, reward, structure, and work design. Number three, psychological factor, perception, attitude, personality, learn, and motivation. Research method. The design of this research was explanatory research or explanation research. The type of this research was observation research with cross-sectional study design. Because the research variable had been collected in the some variables, the method was used to collect the data. The data in this research was survey method. Perceived supervisor support. The perceived supervisor support was defined as the angle of view of impairments to their supervisor in assessing the contribution to the organization and the impairment conquered for their workers. Supervisor itself was a function position that was quite unique and different. Supervisor was required to interact with the authority and responsibility in the two groups. The first group was empowerment and subordinative, and the second group was manager supervisor. Indicator was the support given by superiors to subordinative and proper treatment of employment in accordance with the rank and dignity. Enagement, Bobby and Green research definition of enagement have primarily been offered by consulting houses or in practitioners' publication. Perhaps the most extensively used definition of enagement work was offered by the Gallup organization. The definition and enaged employment as a worker who is fully involved in enthusiastic about his or his work. Bookman defined engagement as a heightened personally attachment to the organization. Contract, while not providing a definition, discussed engagement as having a cognitive and emotional and a behavioral aspect. Robbie and Jubja define engagement as individual involvement with satisfaction with and enthusiasm for the work they do. They suggest that engagement might be a concept with is shared by job satisfaction. Organizational commitment. Job involved and intrinsic motivation to do one's job well. Organizational commitment. Allen and Meyer stated, commitment organizational is identified three types of commitment: affective commitment, continued commitment, and normative commitment as psychological that that it characterize the employment relationship with the organization or has the implication of affect whether the employment will continue with the organization. Organization commitment, according to Allen and Meyer, was defined in the components. They were affective component relative with emotional identification and involvement of employees in an organization. Employees with high affective still joined to the organization because of the desire to remain a member of the organization. Normative component was an employee's feeling of obligation that shall be given to the organization. Normative component development as a result of socialization experience, depending of how far the employee's feeling of obligation. Normative component in set a feeling of obligation to environments to give back for, for what they had received for the organization. Discussion number one, the influence of perceived organization support on work and engagement. The result of the research showed the perceived organization support had insignificant influence on work and engagement on Samarinda employees. Samarinda employees thought that organization support for from Department of Clean Lines and Multicultural could not be felt by the employees. It was related to the increasing of employment welfare with informant employer. Number two, the influence of perceived organization support on organizational commitment. The result of the research saw that perceived organization support had insignificant influence on organizational commitment. Employment found that perceived organization support did not give a positive effect on organizational commitment. Number three, the influence of perceived supervisor support on work and engagement. The result of the research showed that perceived supervisor support had a significant influence on work and engagement. It means the better perceived supervisor support mode work and engagement will be better. In the other hand, if the perceived perceived supervisor was low, so the work and engagement will be low too. Conclusion number one, perceived organization support had insignificant influence on employment, work, and engagement. Number two, perceived organization support has insignificant influence on organizational commitment. Number three, perceived supervisor support had significant influence on work enactment. Number 4, perceived superficial support had insignificant influence on organizational commitment. Number 5, work enactment had significant influence on organizational commitment. Number 6, work enactment has had significant influence on performance. Number 7, organizational commitment had insignificant influence on performance. Suggestion. Suggestion for Samarinda City government in wanted to improve the employment performance. The government sought increase the perceived superficial support and work and agreement because the employers always feel that there should be a people who motivation them and the employment problem how considered by their superficial well. The supervisor who was needed to improve employment performance in Department of Cleanliness and Horticultural was the supervisor who could motivate the subordinative and could improve the work and agreement of this subordinative. Suggestion for the future research recommended to do research to outsourcing environments that were based on the different characteristics of environments which was daily environment in various in Department of Cleanliness and Horticultural Samarinda. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.